Guys, as I'm shooting this with a 50mm, and we're in a campsite, excuse the noise, but I have to keep the car running to put the window up if I need to.
Yeah,
Look at that.
so
It's so thirsty. You'll see in the background, Mama Bear is coming. It's just drinking water. Don't pee next to the drinking water, you weirdo. Whoa, she's big, isn't she?
Yeah.
She's a big lioness.
I don't know if she could be even a signal. We don't know if she's eaten.
She hasn't eaten. Look at him, he's almost eating the whole tap. She's, she's getting a bit more interest now. Look at them fighting over the water. Don't eat my GoPro.
Yeah, he's gonna eat
Don't eat it.
He's gonna fight it, Bear.
They'll drink and then look at these two, look at these two. You recording?
Mm-hmm.
That's actually quite funny. That was very cool. That was very cool. We sat with the guys whose campsite it is for the night. Poor them. I didn't think I would ever say poor them, but poor them. They said they've been there for a few nights, for 3 nights now, I think. And every night it's like, as soon as they want to start the fire to cook their food, the lions come and sit and watch them like their dinner. I'm glad I'm going to my campsite now, where I can...
Yeah, so is wifey.
Yeah, so is wifey, because we need to actually make a fire and braai stills, and we need to be outside for that. The nice thing is we've got the nice view. We can see the waterhole, so if there's game tonight and they have to hunt, because he says they haven't hunted for the last few nights, so they might want to hunt tonight or tomorrow night or the night after, because he has 3 nights, so we might see a hunt happen. Sorry, it's very shaky. Like, Nick's got fairly steady hands, but it's very shaky. So yeah, we're gonna go back to camp, make a fire, get our stuff sorted, and so that if we need to be, we can be in our tents by fire dead time or by sundown time. See you guys later. Beautiful steaks. Nice fire, some good company.
Dutchies.
Dutch is in the house. Yeah, we're about to eat, guys. We're gonna end the vlog here. We've got some company. We've got some guys, some friends joining us tonight, which is unexpected. Scavenger. The scavenger.
Joe.
Yeah. Good morning, Friedrich. Did you have a good sleep? Is that beak sharp? You ready for a good day? Yes, sprightly old chap.
Look at this food.
There's chickens. What do you want, chicken?
Look at the sunbrew and the
Morning.
hornbill with the sun.
Morning. Morning. I'm gonna take all day if I have to take them on to all these bloody hornbills. Oh, look at that.
I know. That's what I was trying to tell you. I was like, move. Hey guys. Dude, there's so many.
There's so many. Look at Friedrich here. Friedrich, it's time to wake up. See, he knows his name. Good morning, Liffy.
Good morning, Liffy.
Do I look like a bit of a bogan this morning? He done a brown hyena got taken these. I've heard brown hyenas love to look through binocs for their prey. So at the waterhole we have a brown hyena and some wildebeest. Good morning, everybody. And good morning to you, world. We're gonna go for a drive and shower and then come back to you because we look like terror crap. Making fire, fire, fire. That's a fire! And that, ladies and gentlemen, is a beautiful sunset at the back there. Sunsets just don't look the same on camera than they do in real life, do they? Every night this is what it looks like. Beautiful, gorgeous, amazing sunsets. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the vlog. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Ciao ciao.